Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video guys, we'll be working on a Chevy Cruze guys, and if you have a code such as P0365, stay with us, we'll explain what needs to be done to fix that code and how we're going to scan the system and find out what's wrong with it. Quick introduction guys, we will have more than 200 videos guys on Chevy Cruze and more than 200 videos on every car we get at the shop, because our mission is to save you guys as much money as we can. So please guys, subscribe to the channel, like the video. If you have any questions, let us know, leave a comment below. Now if you guys need any tools, any parts that we use, or if you need to buy any parts for your Chevy Cruze, check out the link in the description of the video below guys, and you can see where we get all our parts from. Now this 1.8 engine, but even if you have the 1.4, procedure will be very similar guys, and for the 1.6 as well, because all of them operate about the same way, especially those sensors guys. Now let's go ahead and explain how to do that. Now we have the scanner right here. If you're guys on the market for a good scanner, okay, consider this one guys. I will definitely recommend it. Why? Because you can guys not just check your engine computer, but you can read and delete codes from your airbag computer, which is super handy. ABS and traction control computer as well. You can do steering angle calibration, quite a few things guys. Very powerful little device. So you may experience, when you have one of those codes, you may experience hard starting sometimes it starts fine, sometimes it starts slow, it really depends. So we'll have guys the ignition on like that. Next we're going to select OBD right here, and we're going to select guys, okay, it's communicating now, it may take just a few seconds. Codes found 1. It gives you 3 different options for computers here. Usually the one that ends with 8 is the one that we need, but check each one of them, you may have an engine code in the other ones as well. Click read codes, stored codes, and the code that we have is P0365 Camshaft position sensor B, circuit bank 1. So if we go back and click pending, what do we get? The same thing. So that's the only code that we have guys. What causes that now? Let me go ahead, turn the ignition off, open the hood, and I'll show you guys how to fix it now. Since guys it says camshaft position sensor B guys, now we're going to explain what that means. Doesn't matter which engine you have guys, you need to locate your intake manifold where the car gets its air and fuel from, and exhaust where everything comes out of the engine. Now what camshaft position sensor B means? B stands for the camshaft on the exhaust side, for the exhaust valves. If it's A, it's on the intake. It's always like that. Why? Because the engine first gets fuel and air, and then okay, the gas comes out of the engine through the exhaust. So this is guys, okay, the side for the exhaust camshaft, and the sensor guys that we're looking at now is camshaft position sensor B, is that little sensor right here guys. So check your connector, check your wiring harness, make sure it's not loose. Now if that doesn't fix the problem guys, you will need to go ahead, remove the wire and replace it. If you want to see how to do that, we have the video on the channel. It explains from start to finish, because you need some special tools, reverse torque socket guys. You can find that listed in the description of the video below, so please check it out. And the purpose of today's video is to see if new sensor will fix that. So we'll go ahead, replace it, and we'll continue. So the sensor has been replaced. Now I'm going to go on the inside. I'm going to actually go ahead and turn ignition on. Then we're going to delete the codes, click back, erase, yes, erase done. Now what we'll do, we'll start the car. Engine light is not on, that's perfect. Now we'll go to read codes, pending codes, and no codes found guys. So that definitely took care of our problem. Hopefully guys the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos, and see you guys next time.